Hi, Truro College of Pharmacy, class of 2018. Welcome. My name is Jacqueline Ray, and I am the library liaison to the College of Pharmacy. And we'll meet a little bit later on. I'll give you a quick introduction to the library at your orientation. But for now, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to access our online bookstore. It's really easy. Will figure it out in probably seconds. But I still wanted to give you this tool to help you out if you needed it. So what I find easiest to do to access the online bookstore is really simply to go to the college homepage, which of course you know by now is TU, not EDU. And from this quick links drop down, just scroll down and click on online bookstore. So our bookstore is actually managed through an outside vendor. We contract this, so you will still see our logo here, but it does look like kind of a strange new site. Very, very vivid colors, I'll say. So there's different ways you can search. You can search by instructor, you can search by class, but honestly I find it easiest to just browse the full course list. And when you browse the full course list, I like that it's straightforward. You just go to the term you need. And let's just scroll down a little bit here and you course, College of Pharmacy. And depending on which program you're in, whether it's the doctorate program or the master's program, you'll click on the appropriate link. I'll go ahead and click on Doctor of Pharmacy. And from here, you'll click on whatever particular program you're in. You'll probably very soon get used to being called a P1 or P2, just to warn you. I'm going to go ahead and click on P1 so we can see how this is listed out. So you can see that it is listed out by tracks, track 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. I'm sorry they're not in order, but hopefully you can find the one you need. Just go ahead and click on the title of the track, and you'll see the different options available for the books and acquiring the books. If we scroll down a little bit more, you can confirm right here that, okay, Department of Biosciences, Farm 601, Professor David Evans. So hopefully that's, confirmation you're in the right spot. What you're going to see is a list of all the books affiliated with this course. Some are optional. You'll notice that right here, so completely up to you. They are highly recommended by the faculty. So, of course, make whatever decision you need to make to be the successful student you want to be. But you'll see different options, and this really varies from title to title, and that's based on what the publisher has made available. So if you're wondering why that is the case, everything should be available new. Not everything will be available used. Many books will be available for rent and different durations. The price often varies by duration, so this is, I find rather unusual that these are all the same price. Oh, here's a better example. You can see the longer you want the book, the more it costs. It makes sense. I'm going to actually point out this title right here because it has all the different options possible with purchasing a book. You can see that you can purchase it new, you can purchase it used, you can see this option called Marketplace, Rent, or ebook. So new, I think pretty straightforward, it's new. Used is through, of course, a used copy that you would buy through this particular bookstore. The marketplace is similar to Amazon, if you've experienced that. Sometimes when you buy a used book through Amazon, it takes you to this marketplace, which is actually a variety of used bookstore vendors that are approved by Amazon. So that's, you can see a reduced cost for this book. Shipping may not be free, so of course, just pay attention to the fine lines there. And there's a rental option and an ebook option. So something to keep in mind, everybody's different with what they like to utilize as a resource, but those are some of the things to keep in mind. So buy what's best for you, definitely. Once you've purchased your books, of course, you will add them to a cart. And I think really similar to Amazon, you will see the number of items start stacking up here. And once you've are ready to purchase your items, you'll just select your cart, and you'll be prompted to create an account. And again, I think very similar to Amazon are most of these resources. You'll check out your purchase, and you can have the option to track your order, shipping information, And if you do decide to rent, your items will show up with more detail in this rental program. So that's basically it. Really, hopefully it's no problem, but definitely give the library a call if you need some help with this. All right, and good luck, and see you soon. Take care.